Hi everyone. Is your YouTube search bar missing or half showing? First, update the YouTube app from Play Store. Tap on Play Store and search now YouTube. YouTube already update. Okay. Go to your phone settings. Tap on. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on YouTube. And tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Back now and all permission allow. Okay, now reset your phone. Tap on reset. Then open your YouTube app. Search. Problem solved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.